Hey guys, Tony here. And just like that, GameStop after hours absolutely fucking crushes it. I told you guys from like the last TA that I did on GameStop that there's a very big fucking chance that GameStop is gonna go back to fill that gap at $150, which it seems like that's basically the direction that it's headed. After $70, between 70 and 150 bucks, there is no gap. There is absolutely no gap from 70 bucks to 150. So once it crossed that $70 level, there's like a 90% chance that it was going to go back up to the 150 level for GameStop. So I do think as of right now, we're headed straight back to 150 bucks. We might consolidate there, and then after that, I really don't know. It can either drop all the way back down to 40 bucks, or it can keep moonshotting. I'm not going to play this at all. I'm staying out of GameStop. I did make like what, $40,000 last time from this, but as of right now, I'm gonna stay out, just gonna watch from the sidelines, and hopefully a bunch of you guys were already in GameStop, and let's see who makes money, man.